Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to show you how I made this mini bike safe for my grandkids. There are three things you can do to make a mini bike slower, and the first two are right here. The easiest thing you can do to slow down a mini bike is to tighten this throttle stop screw here. Before I tighten it, watch right here as I move the throttle. Now we'll tighten it down, and now the throttle can't move very much at all. If you don't have that throttle stop screw, the second thing you can do is loosen this bolt right here and put some slack in the throttle cable, and that'll essentially do the same thing. These things will slow the mini bike down somewhat, but will also unfortunately reduce the power, so it's hard to get through grass and climb hills. Strictly limiting the throttle control speed is not a great solution because that clutch needs to be running at least 2,000 RPM to engage. And by that time, your bike is going over 15 miles per hour. The best but most difficult speed reduction solution is to change your gearing. Originally, this had a 10-tooth drive sprocket straight chained to a 76-tooth wheel sprocket, and it ran about 25 miles per hour. You really can't get much smaller than 10-tooth up here because of the engine shaft size, and you can't get much bigger back here because your sprocket will run into the dirt. So the solution is a 2-to-1 jack shaft. I'm going from a 10-tooth to a 20-tooth, down to a 10-tooth, and then back. This jack shaft cuts my speed in half. This plate bolts onto the engine up here, and the shaft sticks through the plate to bearings on the back side right there. Now we have tons of hill climbing torque and a top speed of under 10 miles per hour. Let's put the guards back on and try it out. As you can see, my top speed is only about 10 miles per hour. Thanks for watching, and I'll put links to the products below.